Marvin Makes Music by Michelle Vivaldi Tacci. Marvin and Sweetie were good friends. They liked to sit together by the fountain and chat while sharing an afternoon snack. Afterwards, Marvin would listen to Sweetie sing. Marvin and Sweetie both loved music. One morning, Marvin sat by the foot of the fountain and thought he would give singing a try. Try as he might, all he could get out was a croak. The more he tried, the more frustrated he became. Sweetie arrived at the fountain with a basket of biscuits. She found Marvin looking very sad.
Marvin, what's the matter? I can't sing. All I can do is croak. Maybe if you purse your lips. Watch me.
Sweetie tried to teach Marvin to sing, but Marvin's froggy lips could not make music. The next morning, while Marvin had his breakfast, he heard someone call his name. It was Virgil, the messenger pigeon.
Marvin, I have a package for you.
Virgil handed over a long, thin parcel and flew away. Before Marvin could open the package, Sweetie came flying in and landed next to him. She handed him a card.
Here,
she said.
Open this first.
Marvin opened the card.
Dear Marvin, now we can both sing. Your friend, Sweetie.
He looked up at his friend and smiled. He opened the parcel and pulled out a shiny new recorder.
Thank you, friend.
That afternoon, Sweetie and Marvin enjoyed wonderful music that they sang and played together. The end.